Welcome back to this epic series about crypto knowledge, crypto one-on-one, crypto for the person who doesn't know too much about crypto. We have been doing a few episodes now where we were talking about all the basics of the technology happening behind the scenes. The things that actually, as a normal user, you don't really have to deal with, but it's good to know. So this is why I have been sharing this. But now I think we are slowly entering into the world and the realm of what actually is important for you to know. And this is how to make money with cryptocurrencies. So if you really want to know why there is value in crypto, this will be the most important episode that you can ever see and watch. So please hit the like, hit the follow, and let's dive into this. Well, first of all, to make sure you understand where the value of coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum come from, it is important that you have followed the last episodes because it makes all total sense. I'm not going to explain the technical parts. If you really want to know more about this, I encourage you to watch those short videos that I've made in the past before. I will link the videos in the comment section, or if you are on TikTok, then you can just go to my account and you can re-watch them as often as you like. Now, number one, the value of a coin such as Bitcoin. Basically, it is determined by the power usage that the miners are paying to mine one Bitcoin. So, think of it as the old miners who go into the mines digging for gold. What is the cheapest price they will sell their gold at? Well, basically, they need to make a profit. So they are the ones setting the initial price. Okay, so that is like the minimum price that normally Bitcoin should be held at. This is the fair value. Of course, sometimes the price is going to go lower, which for you would mean a good opportunity to buy because you know that those miners, especially the big entities, are not going to sell their coins. They are going to keep on mining, keep on hodling those coins until the price rises up again. And when they are in profit, they will slowly start dumping the price, dumping the coins, this creating some sort of resistance for the price eventually to start going down again. As we all know, there is a 4-year cycle in the cryptocurrency, in the Bitcoin prices. Of course, Bitcoin leads the charge, and most of the serious coins follow. But there is this 4-year cycle, and that is because in the blockchain of Bitcoin, there is a halving of the miner reward that gets programmed into every 4 years. The reward for the miners gets slashed in half. So, of course, this reflects in the Bitcoin price, and you can see this when you zoom out on the charts, on the really long-term charts, you can start to see that 4-year cycle appear. Of course, we are only in the third cycle of four, now the fourth one coming. So bit by bit, we are building on data. Now, there is a maximum amount of Bitcoin programmed into the blockchain. Now, what does that mean? There is a maximum amount of coins that are locked in the blockchain that the miners need to mine out of it. Now, think of it as a thought experiment. There is this thought experiment that says if you have a distance to cross, and every time you get only the half of the remaining distance that you are allowed to cross, eventually it is impossible to cross the entire distance. And it's on that logic that the Bitcoin scarcity keeps on going forever. Every time, every 4 years, there's going to be half the amount of Bitcoin that gets released. The release of the remaining Bitcoin is going to be slashed in half and slashed in half. That leading to more and more scarcity of the coin, creating it over time always more valuable. Of course, keep in mind there are fluctuations, and if you are in the unlucky case of the ones buying it at the former top, then you are going to have to be very, very, very patient, or maybe risk aware and risk hungry enough to keep buying on the way down so that ultimately, at one point, you will start being in profit again and you will remain in profit. It's a long term game. And for those saying that Bitcoin moves really fast, I can say two things. Yes, when it moves really fast. Compared to old-fashioned stock market, where the cycles are often like 25 years or 100 years for the monetary market, um, Bitcoin does move really fast. But it doesn't mean that every minute something crucial is happening. If you're a high frequency trader and you have trading algorithms, high frequency bots being on the ticks all the time, yes, it's going to move really fast. But if you are a normal person, keep that in mind. It's not the rat race. You don't want to look at your 5 minutes, 1 minute, and even 15-second candlesticks and stuff. All that is too short to really narrow it down. If you are a normal human trader like me, it's important to look at the bigger picture and try to catch the larger waves. It's going to take a lot of stress out of your technical analysis and out of your trading days, and you will be able to enjoy the ride a lot more. Now, I think this is where I'm gonna leave it off for this video. I told you it was gonna be a lot of explanations and a lot of interesting factoids. Now, the rest will come on the next videos. This is where we are going to describe all other ways of making money with cryptocurrencies. And stay tuned because, guys, there are many ways to make money in the crypto space. This is a new and emerging technology, and Web3 is still in its infancy. So be ready to get your minds blown if you are looking for something modern to change your whole career ways and stuff. I think you're in the right time and space. So, thank you for watching. Once again, hit the follow, hit the like, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.